Hello and welcome back. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get free Shopify themes for your online store. So let's go ahead and quickly log into your Shopify admin, go to online store and then themes, okay? So I'm going to show you how you can get all the free themes from Shopify theme store. So log into your Shopify admin under themes. You simply scroll down until you get this visit theme store. Okay, so click this link here and then you will be directed to themes.shopify.com/themes. Okay, and here under price you can see there are 13 free themes available right now, and you can go ahead and basically try one by one all of these 13 themes on your store. So how you can do this, let's say you want to start trying the theme free Shopify themes with Ride. Okay, so click on Ride and then you can simply click try demo, try theme. But before you, if you would like, you can go ahead and have a look at the theme itself, which is going to be demo. So this is what the demo looks like. And guys, this is completely free theme. It's available. It's basically designed and developed by Shopify theme team, and this is based on Dawn theme. So anything, any updates or feature enhancement is whenever it's going to be available with Dawn theme, eventually it will be available to any Dawn based theme. So that's going to be good for you. You'll be getting all the updates completely free. And this is how this looks. Ride theme on the desktop and on the mobile. If you can switch over to mobile or small device, then you can go ahead and check how it looks on the small device. So this is very first Shopify free theme that is available here. Now you can try, you can add this theme to your Shopify store by clicking this try theme button. This comes with so many cool features that Shopify is complete going to add to this theme and any other theme that is going to be mm, basically supported by Shopify theme team, that is all going to be freely available to you. So we just added this theme called Ride. Now you can go ahead and publish it and customize it. Okay, so I'll click customize before I publish it so that I can view it, preview it. So this is how it looks. It's also loading fast. You can see this is on my laptop. So this was great. Now you can go ahead and customize all the templates that you have, and then you can simply publish it. Okay, you can also go ahead and preview the theme. This is Ride 15.0.1, which is basically aligned with Dawn theme. That is also available uh, completely free, and the version of the Dawn theme is 15.0.1 as well. So everything, all the features are aligned with the original Dawn theme. Now to go ahead and check another theme, you can simply click the same button, visit theme store, and then under price you can simply click this free, and everything will be filtered. You will be only seeing the free themes. Okay, these are all free Shopify themes you can get for your store. Customize it and use it free forever. So what you need to do, you basically have to try the theme that is going to be sort of pre-designed for your business, and then you can customize a little and publish your theme, launch your store. So for example, if you are in sports, you can go with this theme. If you are in this industry, sense is basically that is basically skincare product. So if you are into that niche, you can try that theme. Dawn has few flavors, so you can go with the fashion industry, jewelry, etc. This is origin that basically is for, you can see bags and bag and similar products. Okay, many ways to use it. This is also another theme that is completely free, spotlight, that is for garments, right? Similarly, taste for food, crave for food industry, publisher for writers, color blocks again for maybe design, clothes and clothing. Trade if you are into design, if you are a designer and you want to sell your product, you go with trade. Okay, these are all 13 free themes by Shopify. You can try and use free forever. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.